So what, we spend the rest of our lives writing puff pieces about celebrities getting wasted at nightclubs?
There are people who need lives that are worth reporting about. Worth family.
Your family is who people are interested in right now.
Well, that's just too damn bad, Jack.
Guys, please. It's obvious we can't work together anymore. Maybe you should just accept our options on your own.
Let us buy you out.
You don't have enough money.
We'll get the money.
Not enough for what I'm after. See, I'm in no hurry to sell.
Fresh style mind.
It's not your baby anymore, Nick. I took your run-of-the-mill fashion magazine and turned it into a national sensation.
You turned it into a damn tabloid. Fashion is an afterthought.
You guys are obviously never going to get along. Why don't you just toss a coin and see who gets the magazine?
Cool. Let's do it.
I was kidding, Nick.
I'm not. Winner buys and loser out.
Nick.
You're crazier than anything else you've seen. Fine. I'm in.
You know when I tickle your belly and you have that moment of, oh yeah.
Well, Nick?
Mine.
Sprinkled with cinnamon, sparkling with taste. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Enjoy the sensation.
New Dial Yoga Body Wash. The first with natural yoga protein. Sweet skin feeling not only dial clean, but yogurty soft. Dial. Healthier skin, healthier you. LifeMD versus traditional life treatment. Both eliminate lice and nicks, but LifeMD is pesticide-free, odorless, even conditions hair. Now there's LifeMD. Goodbye lice, goodbye pesticides.
Hey, you don't have to be a man to love man witch. You don't have to be a witch either.
Rocky, what are you doing in here?
Hey. And wearing some of that dinner on you.
No.
Make tonight a man witch night.
I'm crazy about hair color, especially L'Oreal's Excellence Cream. It frames my face with light, and Excellence Triple protects my delicate hair like nothing else out there. Plus, this formula won't rip, so it really covers gray. I'm not crazy. We're worth it. Excellence Cream by L'Oreal Paris. Super shot.
Salt happens. It's hidden in almost everything we eat. But as part of a
Rocky, what are you doing
diet,
in here?
try new Promise Super Shot
You're not
to
shit
help
on
reduce
me.
the risk of high blood pressure.
Yeah.
Potassium-rich diets flush sodium from your
Really
body,
will.
and Super Shots help as a good source of potassium. Salt happens. Fight back with Super Shots for blood pressure from Promise.
Super shot. Did you know that 1 in 5
Where you going?
American adults has genital herpes?
Get up
That's
here.
because so few people know they're spreading it. My patients really try to be careful,
Let me
but
leave
many
you
are
alone.
surprised to learn they can still spread herpes between outbreaks.
Huh?
In fact, genital
Leave
herpes
you
can be
alone.
spread at any time, even
Hey,
without
you gonna
signs
chew
or
my chair up.
symptoms. The CDC recommends daily medication as part of a plan to reduce the risk of spreading genital herpes. Once daily Valtrex is the only medicine proven to reduce that risk.
Always use safer sex
Very
practices with
careful,
daily
you'll
therapy,
fall.
which also includes avoiding sexual contact.
Oh,
with
earthquake,
people if you're
earthquake.
getting an outbreak. There's no cure for herpes.
Earthquake.
Even with treatment, it's possible to spread herpes. Valtrex is for adults with healthy immune
Yeah,
systems.
earthquake,
To avoid
earthquake.
potentially serious
Earthquake.
complications, tell your doctor if your immune system isn't
Hello?
normal because of bone marrow or kidney
Hello?
transplant or advanced HIV disease.
I
Hello?
have genital herpes,
And I still don't.
and now I'm doing more to help keep it that way.
Leave them ears
Learn
alone.
about once daily Valtrex and save up to $10 on every 30 caplets at Valtrex.com.
But if he likes me, why would he act that way?
Well, he's kind of like espresso, bro. Flaky on the outside, soft on the inside.
Oh.
What are you doing?
For me, white teeth
Chew
are
my
job
chair
one.
up. That's what he's
But I
doing.
want my teeth to be white and healthy. So I upgraded to new Colgate Total Advanced Whitening.
We upgraded, adding advanced whitening technology
And another
to the
chair,
small
that's what
version
they'll
of
do.
Colgate Total.
Upgrade to the healthier side of life.
This fall.
Yeah.
Lipitor is not for everyone, including people with
Yeah.
liver problems and women
Yeah.
who are nursing, pregnant, or may become pregnant.
I'm
You
a
need
party,
simple blood
a
tests
party
to check
Sonny.
for liver problems. Tell your doctor if
Party.
you're taking other medications
Yeah.
or if you have any muscle pain or
Yeah.
weakness. This may be a sign of a rare but
Yeah.
serious side effect. I learned the hard way.
You party Sonny.
Have a heart-to-heart with your doctor about
Party.
your risk and about Lipitor.
this Friday.
Oh, pretty boy.
This is my
Oh, pretty boy.
Sonny, what are you doing?
Another guy.
Sonny, what are you doing? Huh? Hi, Sonny. Hi, baby.
Yeah, a pretty boy.
With Pam.
Sonny, what you doing? Where's Molly? Come here, Molly.
When I put on my infallible lip color, I can do anything. Because the L'Oreal infallible lip color, it gives you long way all about this easy, okay? This is the proof is in the mirror. Infallible.
Molly, come here.
Infallible also
Huh?
the very first thing that is
Uh-oh. What are you doing?
you know.
What are you
I'm
doing?
not breaking up with you, okay? I won't treat you like my father treated my mother. I'm not walking away from our relationship.
Leave my glasses alone.
But I don't want you to feel obligated to me because you don't want to be like Paul.
Okay,
It's not going to make us work.
we're gonna try this out. I slept with you in spite of the fact that you went to Harvard.
Listen, you know what? That only means that Princeton grads have terrible taste in men.
Or maybe that we're loyal and we're loving. And it doesn't matter if you live in a mansion or a tool shed.
The North School shed might be a permanent reality if I don't get another job.
I'll turn for me.
You know what they say? Tomorrow's another day.
Yeah. So that's the
Oh,
one
yeah.
tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no. Sonny. Oh, you're a pretty boy. I'm so pretty.
I hope
Oh,
that
pretty boy. Huh? Oh, pretty boy. Yeah.
My silence is shock.
Why? You'll be back in him. Unless you feel that you can't work for me.
No, I would love to work for you. I would love that.
Yeah,
Get out.
oh, that's all pretty.
Get it
Yeah.
together. You're embarrassing yourself.
Yeah. A pretty girl, huh? A pretty girl. Let's squeak your buddy.
You know what? I think I'm going to have a Kobe steak tonight.
Squeak.
I suppose, Jack, you don't know what next to do.